Hello everyone, Nate Coppock here for Sherry Chrysler of Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28207T. This is the new JL version. Heat reduction hood. Got the marker lights here in the fender now. Really like this new Rubicon bumper, the red tow hooks. Got fog lights down here in the front bumper as well. Got some black and silver, or is that polished aluminum, with some all-terrain tires. Really good look. Heat reduction fenders here. Keep in mind, on any hardtop Jeep is a removable 3-piece freedom top, meaning if you wanted to just take these two pieces in the front off, you can get away with it. Not to take the whole thing off. Upgraded handles. Got power mirrors, locks, and windows. Full lumbar controlled tan premium leather seating with the Rubicon stitching in the top here. Plenty of storage space in the center console. 4-wheel drive, front and rear. Disconnect controls here. Sway bar disconnect, sorry. Got your power windows, climate controls here in the middle. So with your touchscreen radio. Speakers up here in this cross member. Makes it nice and loud when you got the top off. Gauge cluster controls here. Got your cruise control settings here. On the back of the steering wheel, we have controls for things like presets and the volume on the other side. Something else to keep in mind, Jeeps have fully removable doors. Take a look in the back seat here. Nice little different design and mesh here. Little storage area in the back of the seats. Got USB controls, window controls, plus a 115 outlet. Nice cup holder here. Doubles as a headrest here in the center. Real nice feature. Now these back seats do fold flat, making anything you needed to put back in here, you know, for camping or whatnot, you're gonna have plenty of storage to do anything you want to do with this vehicle. Red tow hooks down here. Something new to the Jeep, rear view cameras. Take a look in the back. Looks like we got a couple things in here. Spare tire cover, premium Alpine subwoofer. A lot of storage space. Something pretty cool Jeep did this year is you got holders here for the door hinge bolts and your roof. Also, the 4 that come out of the windshield. Matching spare tire. Jeep did a really good job on their new design here. Again, we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, the all-new JL, stock number 28207T. My name is Nate Coppock. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.